Number 42, we're supposed to find the perimeter and area of this rectangle. So let's find the perimeter first. Perimeter is just your walk-around distance if you were to walk around and add up all the sides. Unique thing about a rectangle, if this is width is 2.1, this would also be 2.1. And if this length is x plus 0.6, this would also be x plus 0.6. A couple ways you can look at it. The long way. Start here, walk around. You got 2.1 plus an x plus a 0.6 plus a 2.1 plus another x plus 0.6. Okay, now if you were to combine like terms, you look and you say, well, I've got a positive x and a positive x, so I've got a positive 2x. And then combining your constant terms, 2.1 plus 0.6 would be 2.7, plus 2.1 would be, what, 2.8, 4.8, plus 0.6, 4.8 plus 6.6 would be, I believe it would be 5.4. Now, that's kind of a long way of doing it, going every single piece. The other thing you'd say, well, I've got two of these, two x plus 0.6s, and I've got two of these, two 2.1s. Now, 2 times 2.1, that's 4.2. If you distribute here, 2 times x, that's 2x. 2 times 0.6, that's 1.2. Now, if you were to combine the 4.2 and 1.2, what do you get? Well, you get 5.4, plus that 2x right there, and you can see it's the same answer, just a different way of doing it with the distributive property. As far as the area goes, let's clean up some of this mess. As far as the area goes, length times width to calculate the area of a rectangle. Length, x plus 0.6, times width, 2.1. And some people say, well, can it be afterwards? Sure. Okay, we could use commutative property and shuffle the 2.1 out front too if that makes you feel more comfortable. Either way, whether the 2.1 is in front or back, to make this calculation, we're going to have to take 2.1 times x, which is going to be 2.1x, and then 2.1 times 6, that's, I'm sorry, 2.1 times 0.6, and if we crank that out, 2.1 times 0.6, you're looking at 1.26, a positive 1.26. So final expression for the area, 2.1x plus 1.26. The final expression for the perimeter was 2x plus 5.4.